guys, my name is Sarah. Welcome to my channel. Today we are working on an 18 by 24 inch canvas, and I have a series of 4 colors and a white over here. The first color we're going to go over is Metallic Cobalt Blue by Arteza, I believe. Yes, sorry, by Arteza, and it's fairly fluid. The paint goes right into the cup. There's no trace. It is a metallic, so it automatically makes lines, but there's no trace as in lump on a lump. So that is the first paint color we're gonna go over. That is mixed 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint and water to thin it down. This is Arteza's Pearl Sea Green. Also mixed, I mixed this 3 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint and water to thin it down to match consistency. When I let the paint drop from this stick, it makes an indentation in the rest of it. This color here is a self-mixed color. It's very purpley blue. This is actually Prussian blue by Arteza. And then in addition to that, I added some of Arteza's Fairy Tale. I love this color. It's like a shift, what do you call that? The color shift blue. So it's got this really pretty purple hue to it, and I love to add that to my Prussian blue. So this is Arteza's Prussian blue and some of the Fairy Tale acrylic in the bottle. So we are going to be using that as well. And again, same concept. It's actually 4 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint and water to thin. The other color we are going to be using is Deep Turquoise. And in the Deep Turquoise, I'm not sure, let me bring it over here so that you can see it. I added some, let me get the light on it. There we go. I added Mysterious to this. And Mysterious, guys, you cannot get it any longer. I was gifted this from a viewer who had some, and I'm forever grateful about it. This was put out by Art Minds. It went off the market late summer 2019. All right, and this here is 24K gold, very fluid, but it does actually leave a little bit of a trace, and go from there. My white mix is a mixture of white house paint, Floetrol, a squirt of Liquitex pouring medium, and I added a little bit of Arteza to it, and it is very fluid. And we're just gonna have some fun. I'm trying to use up some paints. Clear off the counters before I go. All right, I think I saw. Let me see if my tweezers are here. I saw a little bumpy in there. There it is. There we go. I think that's it. Now here, how do I want to do this? Let's play. Let's do a little bit of the white in the base of this cup. And that. Now, they're very fluid, so they're pretty positive they're not going to layer nicely. So we're just dumping them down the side of the cup. I'm gonna come in with more of the Prussian blue because I love that color. And we'll add a little bit of white, because why not? We're gonna come in with the deep turquoise and mysterious mix. I'm gonna just leave that there for, ooh, I almost knocked it out of my hands. We're all done with that. All right, so that's my cup, bunch of colors. We are just gonna let it go on top of all of this. So I am gonna move this out of the way. And then all right, keep that. We're gonna give a torch. I love how fluid this is. We'll see what it brings. I'm loving every bit of it. I think what I'm gonna do is come in like this. Let me go over here first. Oh my God, these colors are gorgeous together. Always a winning combination in my eyes. Okay. Definitely loving what's going on here. Alrighty, here we are. I love these. These look so cute. And then we're gonna come over here and look at that sparkle from the gold. And I love all of these in here. I love this area. This is so neat, the way that the paints did that. I love how it's not overloaded with cells either. Super uber sparkly. Guys, thanks so much for watching. You have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Okay, here are the dried results. I love the gold. It's so sparkly in the sun. I love this pour. I'm so happy with it. And it dried beautifully. It's been varnished. It is a flawless plate. So didn't have to modify it in any way, shape, or form. And that's a pearl pour, baby. All right, guys, you have a wonderful day. Bye for now.